Hey guys, Careful Speaker, Gemmy Collector here, and today I'm going to show another video of my big head Santa. Now you may be asking yourself, why am I doing this another video of him? Well, I'm going to tell you something. I have bad news. The shell on him is cracked. You hear me? Yes. As you can see right here, the piece that makes him dance, the shell is cracked. As you can see right here, it's cracked because, let me tell you the story. Well, it all started last year when I heard that Gemmy made a new Space Snowflake Snowman at Six Holly Jolly Christmas, and I was really happy to get it. And I remember seeing this in stores, but I couldn't because my mom didn't have enough money. And then last year I was really mad at her, and then all of a sudden she started throwing all my Gemmy animatronics, including him, and then all of a sudden, the shell is then, because my mom dropped it on the ground, and then the shell is then cracked. So sadly, he no longer moves his arms. So yeah, because I was really mad at her because I couldn't get him. So yeah, that's what happens. That's what happened to my big head Santa. So yeah, sadly his arms don't move. The hips still move a little bit. But, however, the mouth and head still move. So, I think he needs to be repaired soon. Just like Solar Flare always says when he commented on my video about the Gemmy Sidestepper Frosty. So, yeah, I think he needs to be repaired soon. Maybe in the future. So, yeah. Seasonal Gemmy Collector told me that this has the same module, the shell, as the Space Snowflake Snowman's. Yeah, that's the same shell, I think, but I'm not too sure. I guess so. So yeah, I think I need like super glue or tape so that way I could stick it back in, and then maybe he'll be working fine. So yeah, but for now it's not the time. But however, he still sings anyway. So yeah. Want proof? I'll show you.
Ho, ho, ho! I'll see you on Christmas. Have a very Merry Christmas.
See? He now moves like that, except he still, he moves like that, except for the arms. He moves like that. Just like this Gemmy Space Snowflake Frosty. He moves like that. Except for the arms. Doesn't move. They don't move anymore. Because the shell cracked. Like I said.
It takes a little time, though, to check back one whole year. When Santa Claus gets your letter, I really do believe you'll have his list. You won't be missed again on Christmas Eve.
So yeah. I don't know what am I gonna do now with this guy. Well, I really want to repair him. I wish I could, but I can't. I don't know how to repair Gemmy items because I might break them or something. But I don't want to be a Gemmy abuser. So, but like I said, maybe in the future I'll try repairing him, and maybe I can glue the shell back in, so that way he'll be working fine. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks for watching. Bye.